I'm Andrew Phillips and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a product review on the tempered glass screen protector that's sold here at the Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead inside and pick up the one for my iPhone so we can see what it's made of. Let's see here. All right. So what I have here, this is the shatter resistant tempered glass for the iPhone that I have that we just picked up at the Dollar Tree. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it, see exactly what it comes with. According to here, they make it seem like it's a very good screen protector. So we're going to put it through the test, including a hammer test, and see how it holds up, and then we'll give it a final rating at the end of this product review. So here's a close-up of the package. Shatter-resistant screen guard. This is made specifically for the iPhone. They do make it for other I believe for Androids as well. Now this is made by Greenbrier International, who is linked to the Dollar Tree dollar stores. This says it comes with the tempered glass screen guard, cleaning cloth, wipes, and applicator. And it is tempered glass screen shatter resistant. So let's go ahead and open this thing up, and we'll get out a hammer and give it the hammer test and look at the quality as well and see if this is all that it says it is. Now keep in mind it's only $1, so not a big loss if it does fail, but it would be interesting to see if it's even worth it. Let's open this up. Okay, so here's cleaning cloth, wipes, applicator, and here is the tempered glass screen protector. Now looking here at this tempered glass, I have to admit, when I first saw it in the store, considering it was in the Dollar Tree, it was only $1, and I thought it was going to be a lot more flimsy, but you can see here, this is actually pretty thick. It's pretty sturdy and strong. It's definitely not plastic or junk, so that actually looks pretty good. And then what you have here, you have your cleaning cloth, your applicator, you have the wipes to clean it off. I do have my hammer up here, so we're going to go ahead and do a hammer test on it and then see how that goes. And but yeah, so far I am impressed. It's a lot better quality than I expected. I'm going to go ahead and try a couple different hammer tests. For one, and this is tempered glass, and I'm hitting it pretty hard. Oh, there it went. And you can see that there, it shattered it pretty good. Now I did hit it pretty hard with a metal hammer. The first couple hits did not do anything, but then when I hit it again, it did break that. So now I'm going to lay it flat. We're just going to hit it dead on and see how that holds up. Okay, we are going to hit it now here flat and see how it holds up. Okay. All right. Didn't do anything, as you can see. That's all. It handled that. Let's try it on this side. You can see there. That also looks good. It didn't do any damage that way. This one here, I may have hit it a little bit too hard there, but still it did crack, but the direct impact did not do a thing to the tempered glass. Now with this broken here, I'm going to peel this protective coating off and just see if this glass does crumble or if it actually stays intact. Okay, well that's actually pretty good. So you can see here, even though it is broken, it did still stay intact. So providing this was actually on a phone, I think it would have done very well. So overall I am impressed because, like I said, I did hit it rather hard right here where it did break. As we laid it flat, as I just showed, and hit right here on both sides, didn't crack, chip, or nothing. So that was pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and get another one. We're going to go ahead and apply it to a phone, and let's see how easy it applies, and then that should wrap up this review. I have a new one here. Let's go ahead and apply it on here. So let's use the cleaning pad. Use this cleaning alcohol prep pad that it came with. We're going to clean this phone off real well. Free it from any. Just give it a nice wipe down, get any dirt and debris off of it. Clean it off real good. You want to make sure that it dries well. There we go. And we'll take the cleaning cloth and just wipe it down nice. There it is. Nice and perfect. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to take the screen protector. You're going to want to take the side here with the protective coating, peel that back, and then we're going to go ahead and align it. So the side that peels off goes towards the phone. So we'll go ahead and line that up nice right here. Peel that back, and then we'll get that. Now that we have it on, you can see there's a couple spots there with some air. So just take the applicator, work that out. Perfect. A little bit down here, we'll work that out as well. Just gently work that out to the edges. Smooth it out. Wipe that off real good. Alright, well that pretty much wraps up this video and this product review of this tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone made by Greenbrier, who's associated with the Dollar Tree, the dollar stores. So I want to say on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. And I would actually give it a 10 out of 10 because I am impressed with the quality of it for only $1. However, and I'll get a close-up of it for you, the size of it is not a perfect fit for this iPhone 6s. It's slightly too narrow, and here's a close-up. And you can see there the glass is cut just a little too narrow. Doesn't cover the screen completely. But other than that, I was very impressed with it. As you saw the quality of it, when I bent it a few times, it was very sturdy, and it actually took 3 hits with the hammer directly wailing into it with some force for it to actually shatter. When I had it laid out flat, hit it on both sides pretty strong, didn't do a thing to it. So I was impressed with that. It does come with what you need to apply it as far as the cleaning, little cleaning alcohol pad or whatever you want to call that, the cleaning cloth, the applicator. However, this is all you get for the instructions. It's just 4 little bullet points here on the back of this flimsy piece of paper. So if you have experience applying screen protectors, it's not a problem. But if you've never done one before, the instructions could be a little bit better. They're a little bit flimsy. So that pretty much wraps this up. As I said, I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. For $1, you can't beat it. Please send me any questions, any comments. I hope this video was informative for you. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm always posting videos pertaining to just like product reviews, home improvements. Most of my stuff is automotive repair. I do also some like random entertainment videos with the kids and stuff, but those are kind of far and few between. But most of it is stuff like this and automotive repair. So please like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.